Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Sesiyangibhalela. Ola shozi, wayitse ke bona di video tsa go ko TikTok like ngihlala ngiscrolla cause ngithi mona o rata ukulela ka dilo tse di like it's that tse di snacks like aka motivate abanye abantu ngezinye izinto beside witchcraft. So ntwena a concentrate ngawona ku lawyer. So uthi every time ngibona video yakho like bengiscrolla past it bengafuna ukuyilalela or shozi until something bad yenzakala kumntwana involve witchcraft. That's when you realize ukuthi le ntombazana le kahle kahle bakhuluma ngalezi zinto esiso. Or awushozi mina like ngibomntwana ukuthi ngikhulela ku boarding school. My mother ube lucky ukuthi ungikhuluma bekathanda education kakhulu. So ubaba ngale kati lezo uhambisa wafundisa umama ufundekile. Kwanze ukuthi nami mangizalwa nje my mother was like, you know what, uyokhulela ku boarding school, from boarding school utosama uye school akinana kwanganyana ukuthi uba pregnant. Angifuni ukuthi ube nomntwana ngizokuthumela ku boarding school yamantombazana. Ashozi impilo yami mina ngispende uma boarding school azange ngibe nesikhathi sokudata nakobe kunale nyona kina kwalibuka. Uthi ngabane like ngafunda ngacetha mangicetha ngaya university ngabane like ukuthi ngiyenza kahle ngiapplyela ibazari outside the country bang accept. So mina bengiphila outside the country bengahlalelana eMzansi for a very long time until ngiba nomntwana my child ubaba khasiwa ngapha eSouth Africa wala bengihlala khona kuma European countries. So wenzeke ukuthi this December ngithi you know what kudala ngababoni ekithi kudala ngababoni like my family. So this time I'm flying back home ufuna ubona ifamily yami. Uthi hayi awushozi ngobe horelele kuyabafonela no mommy I'm coming home ngizonibona in kumnandi. Yabona ha uthi shabut awushozi you know ukuthi ngokungaphili endlini. Uthi ngifone vele ngibathe ukuthi no sizolenda ngengaka and then like ngifuna ucala ngibone like my colleagues this side go dropo and then I will come ngizingakani ngaka yabona. Uthi mangise like mangifly ngicabanga ukuthi you know what emangicala ekhaya man and then ngibona ama colleagues wami because bebabooke bebabooke like eSkosana City bebanale something la bebaye khona bebabooke lapho ukuthi bazospenda isikhathi lapho like bahlangane as ama friends from different parts of the world bahlangane yabona kube celebration ba celebrate like friendship banyana bo it girl banyana ba uruteha banyana ba uyikhona the independent ladies yabona. Uthi hayi ngidecide ukuthi ama ngikhaya and then ngizodropa off umntwana ngimshi asala bona kokwakhe like my mother and then ngikhona ugalavanda ke nama girls umntwana asele. What I was choosing, no problem. I speak. Ni hire imoto uthi drive down see ekhaya. Masifika ekhaya kumnandi man. Masifika uthi umalumam like my uncle died in September. So bamnqoba ngoSeptember. Yabona uthi hayi ngifike kube mnandi ngibone vele ifamily. Uthi kibo mama beba 5. So my uncle beka firstborn. Then kusela ama ladies i4. Uthi kula ama ladies i4 kunalo oy1 ogcina abazwani naye. So akabazana naye but apparently what uyaganga stuff like that. Uthi mina awushozi akilitseni because angiphili nalabantu labo and angizifaki like izintweni ezingangazi yabona. So uthi mina most of the time ngispenda isikhathi sami nomama mangiyela vanse ngiyajust ngiyondlula ngiyabulisa ngiyandlula angiyohlala akirobel akidire sleep over and stuff like that yabona. Uthi no problem ngifike kithi kube mnandi ngihambe vele ngiyobulisa bomama mncane nabo mamkhulu kube munati man kube mnati ngithola ukuthi bekunemsebenzi kamamkhulu wami lo ungasi right ngithola ukuthi akunomsebenzi lapho befuthi like kuhlatiwe and stuff ngiyobulisa ngiba-introduce nomntwana nami ngibakhoma nomntwana inquba mnandi. Hayi umntwana nami awushozi athi you know what mama mina I think ukuthi ngizosala lana ngizobuya kusasa ngale ngithi if they want to see you bazosaka gogo bazokubona. For now siyajika vele siyakagogo ukuthi ayisihambe vele siyakagogo ngitshela mama ngithi yazi sithi inhlakanipho ngafuna ukusala yazi ka Auntie Sophie ngala mina yazi Auntie Sophie waba snacks kanjani kuba ngathi mina like ngimothomo snacks in umama athi you know what like ungazingeni izinto ungazazi rada ngaba umekile man bekazabuya kusasa umntwana befuthi akona inkingi vele usisi athi you know what ngizothi mina mangihamba ngisuka la ngibele emuva ngihlangana nabo nabangani bami ngizomdropa ndenalali one day and then wena uzohamba uyomcollector ke or bazothumela umntwana bamlethe. Uthi no problem. Awushozi kube ukuthi siyabonana isikhathi ukuthi ngihambe siyafika ngiyambhakela ibheke ukuthi umntwana amjabulile yes Auntie Sophie in ujabulile like ujabulile ufuna ukuthi because ka Auntie Sophie unabantwana vele abantwana almost same age yakhe. yabona hayi ngihambe noNhlakanipho ngivalelisa umama wami ngidrop uNhlakanipho ngi-overnight back uthula la khona mina ngihambe. Uthi umntwana wami awushozi une-tablet, le tablet ine-sim card like uyakhona ukwenza ama-video call, uyakhona ukumfonela yonke into yabona. Uthi hayi endleleni vele angifonile angibuza mama usela kuphi ngisele right la befuthi siyadlala. Hayi ngikhuleko nami emoyeni ukuthi hayi mntwana wami uright, hayi ngihambe ngithi ngihambe kahle in fact I'm still on my way. How awushozi ngifihlele lichoming ngikopane litsona lichoming uthenta mama ngithaya ukufonela umntwana lethi ukuthi nowulale kahle umntwana vele ifoni angayibambi ngize ukuthi ayi maybe ngaphandle bayadlala or bahlala emlilweni no staff yabona ngisinalidaba. Uthi hayi mina vele sicontinue le activities arenat amokile ngiboteng. Uthi ngifonela umama wami later mangizolala ngithi hayi ngizamfonela uNhlakanipho ngamthola umama athi bengikhuluma naye like no kwakhe lo like meaning umamncane wami bengikhuluma nabo ngithi baze balale sebusuku. Hayi alright, hayi sharp nami ngikhululeke kidi no lady wine zakhe hobe mina thora awushozi around past 5-6 uthi umntwana ngifonela ekseni athi mama athi uzobuya nini yabona. First thing ambuza mama uzobuya nini, uthi no angisho wena usayosala nogogo ngizophina ngilanda amasojika yabona. Uthi ngicela ukuthi uzongilanda, ngicela ukuthi ngizolanda. Why kwenzekeni my boy? Hayi ngicela ukuthi uzongilanda. Uthi ngifonela umama wami ngithi uNhlakanipho uthi ngicela ukuthi ngizomlanda, ngicela mama uyomlanda manje kusese early mama kade uphuzi or before uphuzi ubani sofikile umlande because ngathi angalalanga kahle. Hayi uthi vele umama mvele asuke like endlini ahambe ayeka siswakhe ayilanda umntwana alright abela endlini. Umama uthi ngimcheck umntwana ngimcheck umzimba wakhe umntwana vele alright akunankingi. Umama ambuza ukuthi awuNhlakanipho wavuka ekseni wafuna ubuya, uthi hayi gogo bengifuna ubuya bisele ngiright yabona. Uthi hayi ngifone nami ke ngimfone uNhlakanipho kanti yini inkinga? I know I wanted to come back mami yabona. Uthi ayicede kanjalo umntwana. Uthi during the day umntwana ngifonile athi yazi mama umalumam athi umalumakho meaning ngithi uncle kamama ka the lady athi umalumakho uthi ngitshela ukuthi why umshiya la bazongithatha njengaye. Or awushozi ke makali bafana ubulela kanje uthi Nhlakanipho khuluma athi ngithi umalumakho your uncle mami your uncle told me you must come and take me because they are going to take me like him. Uthi I repeated like the same sentence. Uthi ngithuke ngifonele uma ngithi ma umntwana uthi 1 2 3 4 kanti kwenzekeni ngasisi wakho yabona. Uthi umama makabuza umntwana athi hayi like umntwana angafuni uku-entertainer kumama but ku the actual mother amtshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi uzongilanda umalumakho set yabona. Uthi maka ngitshela umama uthi hayi mina uNhlakanipho angitshele into ukutshela yona yazi angazi angangitshela. Uthi awushozi like ikhuluma like if something is wrong or something is going to happen wrong uzoyifila like empikizweni ukuthi manje la ikhona into like engabalance yabona. Or awushozi ngithi ukuthi you know what ngizospenda the last day lana nala my friends wami la eSun City and then from there I'm going back home, I'm going to fetch my child. Or sharp awushozi uthi hayi ilanga vele lishona. Uthi umama mvele angifonela angitshela ukuthi azuNhlakanipho sinzabuya ka Auntie Sophie akasi right mama umntwana akasi right ngathi khona like into omdlayo or akasi right nokudla akadli yabona. Uthi ngicala vele ngiphenike lapho ukuthi no mama kusasa ekseni ngizabe ngilapho ngizombona ukuthi unjani, so I will come back surely kusasa ekseni then sizobona ukuthi what's going on. Or awushozi no problem. Uthi hayi mina ngithi ukuthi umuntu maybe because of the mood swings ukuthi ngimshiyile nabantu abangekho. Uthi enye inhliziyo ngitshele kanjalo ukuthi maybe because of like lo muntu ngimshiyile that's why yabona. Or awushozi the following morning ngabo 5 umntwana ngifonele athi ngithi mama ngicela ukuthi uzongilanda like umalumakho came back again and told me ukuthi why ungishiya lana bazongithatha labantu la they will take me mama come and take me please come and take me. Or awushozi azange ngiyakoshinyana kungithi ngiyageza ngivele ngathatha izinto zami ngasifake ngimotweni ngavalisa ama friends I went back home. Uthi driver uthi mangisendleleni umama angitshela athi umntwana ukhulapsile umntwana aka respondi befuthi sebafonele neambulance. Uthi bathi bameli ambulance umntwana aka respond. Or awushozi like I was speeding bengigijima enye into engayazi. Uthi mama athi ambulance izifikile bengicela ukusihlangana esibhedlela because umntwana akasi right asazothi kwenzekeni. Uthi hayi vele iambulance imthathe emise esibhedlela. Uthi hayi vele ngihlangana nabe mangifika esibhedlela ngiyabuza ama doctors what's going on. No sisara nama test umntwana sicheckile izinto eziningi akanazo but we are still running test ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uri awushozi ngwana ka respond ngwana ka komuchiningi awukushishiwe akona like abatholi ukuthi uphethwe yini ekilobona. So uthi awushozi ngihleli lapha yana like ebench yasesibhedlela. Uthi umama athi kimi athi you know what hayi ukuthi lo mntwana lokubona into wrong leka gogo Sophie mara yabona why from kagogo Sophie umntwana akhuluma izinto ezisokuwe ajike athi bathi bazomthatha njengomalume hayi ukuthi zikhona izinto ezirong azibonile na. Or awushozi like mina ngithi you know what mama asipha ama doctor like a chance babona ukuthi babona in and then if abakhona ukubona something by the end of today like ngizomu discharge umntwana ngizobacela bam discharge umntwana ngiklatsa like accountability if anything happens wrong emntwaneni sibone ukuthi umntwana ngeke simo sesontweni na. But I was choosing ngwana because sibhedlela barane di test basabona silo. Uthi ngithe uthi you know what asimikele umntwana alali sizobozwa kusasa maybe bazofind something kusasa. Uthi following day masesibhedlela umntwana uphaphamile umntwana uright ngathi azange kwenzeke next. Uthi ngifika ngithi inhlakanipho mapho yini udleni yini into wrong so athi mina mama ngivele ngalala angazi ukuthi kwenzekeni. Uthi ngibona ukuthi umntwana wami udidekile there is something emdidayo yabona. Uthi umama athi kimi you know what asihambise umntwana lo simo sesontweni bacele bakhulula umntwana sesontweni. Uthi hayi mangikhuluma nodokotela ngicela ukuthi ngidress umntwana doctor athi you know what umntwana singabonanga next wabona ukuthi uthatha king and bisifisa ukuthi singahlala la si analyze this thing because like into yakhe iyamangaza uze la ngakhona next jiki masomcheka umntwana uphaphamile there is something wrong wabona. Uthi ngithi ku doctor ngithi you know what angihlali la ngiya outside the country I rather take him la ngiya khona because of mangahlala ngapha isikhathi ukuthi isijiki sizofika rather mina ngihambe na. Uthi vele ngitshela doctor uthi ngiyahamba I'm leaving I'm going back so ngicela ukuthi nimrelease umntwana ngikhona uhamba. Uthi hayi vele ngisane vele ama form wonke into vele ama permission nayinani lezi bakusenza zona if uya discharge yabona. Uthi ke sign it ka ufela uri ke tsamaya le mama. Uthi masihamba umama siya kumunye umprofit. Uthi masifika lapha lo umprofita akhuluma into esingayi understand. Ngithi you know what mama hayi uthi vele basithi sendleleni siya ku profeta. Uthi mama afonele like omunye uantwami so to Antine ngisho umama ngisela 4 girls afonele Antine yazi umntwana ka lo usisibhedlele sibe sibhedlela in amchazele sonke istory athi lana manje sendleleni siya komunye umprofita. Antine was like no izandla nizongicollecta ngifuna ukunisa komunye umuntu dangerous kabi khona ubona sukwelana indaba yomprofita. Or ashozi kube ukuthi ngiyadrive ke siya ku Antine sifike simcollect reqo umuntu uthi umntwana nami seka right normal yazicocela ubhizi ngetablet yakhe ngathi asomuntu lo beka hooked up emshinini yesterday. Uthi awushozi sifike uthi masifika kulo muntu lo vele ubona ukuthi lo muntu lo akuthi umuntu right umuntu gangayo are like ubona urumo reken dilungise snacks. Uthi ngifike lapha na vele Antine ngitshela athi into soyenza la iphelela la ayiphumi ayifike efamily and if someone within us unesandla kulento yenzekile lo mntwana lo let it happen ukuthi ashoneke namuhla sibone ukuthi kahle ubani umuntu wrong. Uthi nje awustangithi mina awustandi angifuni ukubulala umuntu angifuni uba nezandla angifuni uba negazi ezandleni I just want to find out what's wrong kwenzekeni kumntwana phela lo uyangisana ndaba nakho wabona. Ukikela ka mentality or I'm looking for solutions I'm not looking for problems yabona. Uthi ayisingene endumeni uthi awushoza singene endumeni angibamba umakhosi angibamba athi wena sesi uzenza ngathi wazi kakhulu na. Uthi abambe mina ang-attack athi uzenza ngathi wazi kakhulu ne and bafuna ukuprove le point wena baba to prove la point kangwana wa hawo. Ora awushoza ngiswe ngathi like my soul is leaving my body mina ngiyazi kakhulu kanjani abona. Uthi why bongalandi lo mntwana makathi uzomlanda why bongalanda umntwana hayi na because of like I was far in athi sisi uyamthana lo mntwana lo. Uthi like makhosi attacked me not my mother not my aunt ang attack umakhosi athi bazoprove le point and they said part uthi umphefumulo umntwana bazowuthatha athi abantu abathethe umalume wakho umphefumulo bazowuthatha. Uri awusosikiro okay bakhona abantu abathethe umalume ngiyavuma so ubani bekafuna uthatha umntwana. Uthi umakhosi athi angeke ngisho but kusekudla emndenini. If you want to see ukuthi ubani, I can show you ukuthi ubani, but ngeke kube mnandi because lo muntu oyenze konke lenyaka le uzofela. Or awushozi ngitshela uMakhosi ngithi, you know what Makhosi, mina I'm not here ukuchitha igazi lomunye umuntu. Mina bengifuna ukuthi uvikele umntwana wami abe right, ngakuthi mangihamba la ngibele iplane ngihamba umntwana wami ngeke afike ngale angicaki. So the only solution I need right now asibekele umntwana phambili, lokho kunye asane ndaba nakho. Ora awushozi mama bathi ngithi wo hayi ngowami umzukulu, uthi ngithi Makhosi if kahlanganisiwe la kuhlanganisiwe sibona ukuthi lo muntu esuspecta ukuthi uye uyasihambela akube uyahambayo, hayi umntwana. Well awushozi my mother aphe uMakhosi go ahead, you can do whatever you want to do. If umuntu uyahlanya kahlanye, if umuntu uyenza izinto sinasayi but angashoni asimbulali, sifuna ukuthi afunde isifundo. Or awushozi Makhosi ahlanganise Makhosi ageze umntwana amamgoze amgeze ngezinto ezibomvu amtwinisele angitshela athi umntwana uvikelekile, ngeke basakhona ngeke basakhona ubani access yokufika enganeni ndona right. Ora awushozi ahlakanya athi nginingi pen 24 hours yonke into ezoyenzeka nizoyibona ngamehlo nonke. Uthi sisijozi sibere thina endlini, so I'm trying to pack my things because now sengisabele impilo umntwana ngithi hayi mina mama ngiyahamba kusasa ngiyahamba. So I've tried to change ama dates with flight yami, so kusasa ngiyahamba. Umama athi you know what ngcono vele ubuyela khona nokuthi uzoluza umntwana la ne South Africa, ufika uthini baba umntwana ukuthi umntwana usele nkuphi, yabona. Uthi hayi I'm packing, uthi like my room ne uthi ekithi iwindow la room lami fanele udlulekile udlula like la, so before you fika igate like likotseleng. So uthi I'm packing ngivule like ama curtain ngiyapheka umntwana amhleli phansi udlalisa itablet yakhe, uthi ngiyapheka. Uthi angipheka ngibona umuntu uyandlula akangagcokanga or ashes ahapara meola aparo ka lepona or ke bona ka meola afeta or ke bona ka motho afeta akerips hizayi man noma bathi abantu bayafana lo and Sophie. Uthi yandlula ngepona athe gating at awushozi o di tlhapisitse ka makaka mahatsamaya gona le dintshi a re dintshi di msetse moragona le khoya ya dintshi. O cobise ngamakaka umamncane uyeza ubiza umama mngegama yambiza ya wena Lindo uthi uzasa uya scream ubiza umama uthi ngithi 1+1 emangifihla umntwana wami ngithi nana wena remain in this room, uthi ngivala amakhetheni ya wena Lindo uthi ngigijimele ngaphandle ngithi mama buzobona umama uthi usedana ntombi kabukela iTV ya wena Lindo uthi makathi yona ndisangenile vele egate, so uyongena like towards uyovelela ngale ngasemnyango sedana room. Uthi umama amavula umnyango uthi my aunt Sophie uthi ame lapha yana emnyango athi wena Lindo ophile ngane yakho esenza ngathi ihlakaniphe kakhulu ngoba yona uphila ngale ikhuluma isilungu icabanga ukuthi thina izosenza kanje. Uthi awushoze umama athi you know what ungamvuleli ungamkhulumisi miye kanjalo uza la uzosi-expose ukuthi uyebe kafuna ukuginqiza umntwana wakho, shuthi uyoginqize nomntwana kithi. Kudala abantu bathi uyaganga singabelieve namuhla yaziveza ukuthi uyaganga. Uri awushozi akhulume zonke lezi zinto arohe mamaka arohe nna kala naphume ngegate. Uri makathi uphuma ngegate mama was like start imoto hamba. Uri awushozi kibolo wena, so I'm back la ngihlala khona. I called my mama right lo muntu lo vele so utopa amaphepha kasese umuntu right. Or for me fear ya hore ke boele go high thinking ukuthi umntwana wami almost lost impilo yakhe or sengiyasaba because of I don't know ukuthi uzothola inyanga strong ibuyisele whatever that we did back or angeke basakhona ukumlapha because of izinto zakhe. But ona no story sesingwa seke sibona ngaba family bathakatha athi mina ngibone ngewami umamncane trying to kill my baby. Yazin nna ke sa khotsa shem go setse o le my everyday life ukuthi those that you trust ibo bazokinga phansi, especially family members. Why sinje mara singabantu bamnyama? Sure.